So if you use Google Workspace for your real estate email, you're creating a real estate domain for yourself. So like I have a burtonkelso.com website that I use. So I do have I will do have a Gmail account. I won't say what it is because I want you hacking into it. But that's just for private use only. But yes, if you are a real estate agent, I will say quit using Gmail, the free version. Set up your own domain because it puts you at less risk of getting criminals from accessing your sites. Now, why do you think Burton's got this picture of Google Home and Amazon up here? Anyone? Just curious. My man, sir, what's your name? Mark. In the audience said the right answer, which is they are always listening. Always, always, always. So make sure if you're doing any real estate transactions, make sure these devices are unplugged. Now there's a way on both Google Home and Amazon Alexa that you can go in and change the what stuff is stored on the web. Because the problem is with Google Home and with Alexa, any conversations that you have are stored into your account. So if your Google account is hacked or if your Amazon account is hacked, then criminals have access to all of your conversations. So you want to go to the websites and turn those off, but the easiest thing to do is just to unplug those devices so you're not putting yourself at risk and putting your buyers and sellers at risk.